Good morning, everyone. I would like to introduce the particular course that we are going to have with this particular semester, which is about the optimization for sustainable manufacturing or sustainability. So, one of the things that we have been studying in the few previous courses is how sustainable manufacturing and why sustainability is important, especially given the major climate changes and other adverse environmental effects that is happening due to greenhouse gas emissions, global warming stuff, etc. So, there is a thought process now which is overtaking, which almost every industry in the world is looking forward, is to move away from only focusing on productivity towards a sustainable productivity. But it is easy to say let us do things in the sustainable fashion, but it is a very difficult goal to achieve. And as we know that in any manufacturing or any sustainable process, you have inputs and you have outputs. The idea here is that without compromising the productivity, how can you achieve more with the same, or how can you actually reduce the consumption of the resource, not just resources. It also reduce the waste, it also reduce the use of electricity, it also minimize the use of pollutants that are non-biodegradable, find alternatives to things that are that unconventional solutions which are not harmful to the earth, etc., like that. In this course, what we are going to look more towards is how to use advanced tools like optimization tools, simulation, etc., to come up with factor optimization of various factors: man, materials, machines, methods, and other what you call as monies that are associated with the productivity process, productivity whether in the case of manufacturing or services. We look into the productivity process rather than just focusing on manufacturing, and we try to find out how do we achieve the optimal setup for sustainability, not just focusing on productivity, but focusing on sustainability. This course will introduce you to more advanced topics and obviously also would help you in coming up with applicable roadmap to convert an existing traditional transformation process, whether it is for the manufacturing or for services, to a sustainable process. We will also have sufficient case studies and examples looking into this, and we will go from there. I hope we will have fun in this course. Thank you.
Good morning. Welcome to the course on Advanced Green Manufacturing Systems. I am Dr. Amandeep Singh. Dr. Deepu Philippe has already introduced this course to you. Like we have the previous course, Sustainability through Green Manufacturing Systems, this is an advanced version of that course, wherein we will discuss the techniques which are being developed to obtain the green manufacturing system, how to quantify the greenness, like we are talking about green materials, green energy, and pollution-free products. The product can be called green when it consumes lesser energy, the material in the product is biodegradable or green, or the pollution-free manufacturing is there. This is not ideally possible, but yes, we can get a greener product than the previous versions. We are trying to cover the topics that you can see in the template that would cover the broad viewpoint on developing green manufacturing system, like value engineering green plan. Also, we will have laboratory demonstrations on green facilities. We will provide demonstrations on the softwares which are available in the open market that will help the students to get the access, because that is available for the students in the open market and anyone can have the access on that. Also, we have specific softwares or the tools that are there in the Smart Systems and Operations Lab at IIT Kanpur. So, that also we will use. So, hope you will enjoy this course again. Thank you.